Pipelines are long, linear infrastructures that cross multiple jurisdictions and are subject to a myriad of regulators and regulations. Pipelines' right-of-ways are exposed and in the open, passing through public, commercial, and private lands. Even a minor spill can have severe political and public opinion consequences, in addition to the environmental impacts. Given the cross-country nature of pipelines, they are regularly exposed to damage by third parties, despite an operator's best efforts to mark and protect them. Pipeline routes cannot avoid every sensitive area, and so are designed to mitigate the risks. Over time, fragile infrastructure often encroaches on formerly safely isolated pipeline right-of-ways. Environmental regulations attempt to minimize the impact on the public and the environment of the construction of pipelines, and the pollution events that result from accidents and leaks. Understanding these environmental regulations and their origins will aid in compliance. Given the hundreds of thousands of miles of pipelines in the world, much of it aged, there are going to be accidents. A company does not want to be found negligent or out of compliance in the aftermath.